Welcome, here I've got XIAOMI POCO X3 PRO and I'm gonna show you how to take burst shot in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Now let's move to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. From here let's move to the left side to this settings button to open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down and focus on press and hold shutter button option. When we pick it, we can decide to use this as record video, burst shot and focus. So let's pick the burst shot and let's move back to the camera now. And now when we tap on the shutter a little bit longer, we can take the series of pictures. As you can see, we have the countdown and this is our burst shot. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.